do today. I'm gonna put the rafter, which I have it up here. I'm not gonna take it out yet. Oh yeah, I didn't do a video of this. I put it up here, the fan. But I'm gonna take the rafter and I'm gonna put it here where everybody else is putting it. And then I'm gonna take the awning opener and I'm gonna put it right here on the edge. I have the brackets, so let me go ahead and take this out so I can have room and work on there. I'm gonna try to see if maybe taking these caps off, I can maybe use these to put the brackets on, but I don't know how that's gonna work. We'll see. I'm gonna try something here. See these little caps? I use a little screwdriver, popped it out. I'm gonna take the screw out, see if I can take this little rubber piece out. Because what I would like to do is mount this right here so I don't have to drill no holes. Let's see if that'll work. But you need this type of screwdriver in order to get in this little space here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and see if this is gonna work. I'll let you know. Well, like I said, I use the same screw hole, tighten it down, and this is the way it's gonna go. Oops, right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one here. It's probably gonna be a little bit hard with the extinguisher here. It's either that or put it here. Just don't want no play on the bottom. So I'm gonna try to do it right here, even though it's a little hard. And then, like I said, we'll do the outside one. So we can put this one right here. I was trying something out and I was able to go in here with one of these handy little drill bits and pull it out, instead of having to use this, which took me a little bit on the top. But whatever you have, you're able to take it out. Now, go back up in here. Where's the other one? That's that one. It's right here. Oh. What I'm gonna do this time is I'm gonna use the same screw. And the first one I use a screw that came with this. They come with screws. Let me take this plastic piece out and I'll put that in. Okay, I put it in, started it with my fingers. I'm gonna come back in here and put it in place. Now to tighten it real good, you're gonna have to probably use the old method just to cinch it in there real good. Like I always say, doing things with one hand is a pain in the... Let me go ahead and get this tight. Okay, so you can see I put one down there and I put one up here. So I'm just going to slide this in, top and bottom. Got the top one in. Got the bottom one. Now got the top one. That's it. It's in. It ain't going nowhere. And if you need it, you know where to get it. Let me try to do the holes on here so I can put the awning spinner opener. Update. Don't do what I did. Hopefully you can see with the sun. Don't use the screw that came on the wood. Use the screws that came with the bracket. Why is that? I don't know if you can see. It's hard for me to show you. It's not flush. Like this one is flush. Can you see? Sorry if you can't. It's just the sun is in the way. So when you put the bracket, it's actually hitting on here. So I'm going to take it out and put the other screw in. So put the screw that came with it. Okay, now I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put the awning opener. But as you can see, it's can't put it on the corner because then you won't be able to pull it out because of this little hook here, which they riveted in there. I would have never put it there. I maybe would have put it over here, but I'm not the builder. Maybe if you watch this video, it's a better recommendation. Move it over some, because that way you can put it flush and you just pull it straight out. Right now I can't pull it out, so I'm gonna have to put it like on an angle, because on the angle here, at least it'll come straight out. But the other thing you got to make sure is on the bottom here. Let me get down here. On the bottom here, you don't want to put it resting on the floor. So you have this lip here, and you have run into the same issue. It's not going to be flush, as you can see. You got to make sure it's raised up so you can have it flush in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the bracket, which is this bracket here. There's two of them. They're very tight. Like I said, I'm going to put in an angle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drill the holes first so I don't crack the wood. And then I'll put some wood glue on the screw and go ahead and put it in here. And that should hold it pretty tight. So let me go ahead and start with this. I'm going to use the drill that I have for the jacks. Of course, remove the jack support on there. I got some drill bits. I'm going to use the smallest one. Drill the holes so I can have a template to start it. And then from there, I'll put the glue. Check out the wood glue on the screw and screw it back in there. What I did is I drilled a small pilot hole. I tried not to go this way because I don't want to hit the metal here. Try to go straight because the screw is long enough where we go in there. So I just did a small pilot hole. Where's my glue? I'm gonna grab the glue here. I'm gonna put some on my screw. Then I'm gonna go ahead and insert it in here, start it, so then I can do the bottom one. I wish I could show you the whole step, but I'm gonna have to get the head camera so I can show you every little thing. I think I might have one home. I just have to do it probably for the next couple videos. So I don't like turning on and off the camera. I just like to show you everything. So give me 1 second and I'll get back to you. Here's the finished product. The rafter and the awning opener are both in place. I hope you liked the video. I want to say thank you to Rosebud Travels, I think that's what their name is, Lewis and Katie, for helping me out on the installation. Well, videos and references on how to install it. Thank you for watching. Just bought a new shower head for the shower because this one has an on and off button. Because of course the Casita does not have an on and off button, and you have to shut the water on and off here, which takes time. So I'm going to go ahead and see if we can connect this new shower head with the button here. Let me get started. This kit comes with everything. Tape, new, which I won't put on the wall, instructions. Here's the instructions here. It has 6 settings. the on and off switch. Tips for when you set the on and off button gets stuck. So you have to come here, pull this out, pull the blue cap off, and then look inside. Make sure the washer's in there. That blue end screws off. Not that it pulls off, but it screws off. And come over here and do the same thing. Screw this off. Oops. And now we're gonna go ahead and connect this in here. There wasn't much to show you because it's all plug and play. Take out the old one, put in the new one. Now what I do want to show you here is this is what it looks like. I have it resting up against the board and as high up as it'll go because I'm a little bit tall. What I did was I got this piece here. I don't know where my wife got it from, but this is where the old one stayed, and it would probably be up to here. You see how much higher I got it? So you can move this around. It's suction cut to the wall here. So I just kind of ran it this way. So let's see if I can. This is what it looks like. Hold on. Make the door to stay open some. This is what it looks like. Let me sit on the top here. I don't know if you like it. Hopefully you do. But I'll leave it in the description. What's going on? We're here once again with some more parts. Just had UPS drop off the package, and we're gonna see what we have. Well, what do we have here? This is from Little House Customs. Most of you probably already know Little House Customs is a store that sells everything for casitas. You go in there, they got a bunch of good items. Stuff that you're going to want, stuff that you're going to need. And I went out here and ordered some parts. And I'm going to show you what they are. It says here, thank you for your order. We appreciate your business. Happy camping. Jeff and Amanda. Sorry for butchering your name. Mehmet. Hopefully that's correct. What do we have here? Alright, the first item up for bid is Power Bug Guard installation instructions. So, as you probably already know, this is for the bug guard. Let me open this up and install it. Alright, I had to get the camera mount just so I can use both of my hands. When you look at this piece, you can see it's nice and flat on one side and it has indentations on the other. What you want to do is you want to hold the door because you don't want it to get all discombobulated. You want to come in here, stick it in here. Like I said, hold the door and just run it up just like that. So you can see it's on there. So it looks like from the inside, so it looks from the outside. So now you take your cable and you're going to run it up. Same thing, hold the door and then just put it back in the hole. Close it up and you're good to go. Just make sure it's in here. That's it. Lock it up. No bugs are going to get in. Well, no bugs are going to get out. When you take it off, it's going to be the same thing. You go ahead and pull the cable out and take it out till the next time. Hopefully this is a easy install. And I'm going to go ahead and show you now the next product that we got. Alright, the next product we do have is I purchased the shower rod holder. And I guess this is self-explanatory because there's no instructions. So I come in here. This just clamps over wherever you want it. So let me see where exactly I'm going to want to place the rod holder. So I can put it here. So I have it here, just like this, back and forth, back and forth. I can have it here, up and down. I can have it up here. I think I'm gonna go with it here. As you can see, I can push it in, so I'm just gonna slide it in. That's it. It's easy as that. You can cut it, make it longer. So I'm just gonna raise it up, that way it looks like one piece. Have it there. So when I need to hang my shorts from the pool, I need to hang the towel, and if I don't need to hang anything up, just push it against the wall right there. Yes, and we got a little hook too. This is pretty cool. I like this. I'll try it out on the next trip. If you got any questions, comments, just ask. Thank you for watching, and I will keep you posted.